Hi guys, this is Miss Kansas. I'm here today so we can do a science experiment. All you need for this is food coloring, shaving cream, water, and a clear cup. So with that said, let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our water bottle. We're going to pour some water in here like this. Alright, and then we're going to open up our shaving cream. Just bought this, so we're just gonna there we go. Okay. Alright, so we have our shaving cream, and that is cloud. So you have the water, you have like the clear sky, and then you have the clouds. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your blue food coloring. And we're gonna drop it on top of the glass like this. And it's supposed to give the effect of the rainwater. So like that. Isn't that cool, guys? Alright, and that's it for today. Thank you guys for coming and looking on this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!